You say hey? Brindley. What are you doing, silly? Whoa, careful. You're gonna make Harper fall.
No.
You pushing Harper across the room?
Yeah.
Is that fine? Bye. What's Harper think about this?
Bad.
Harper. Hey. Can you wave?
Hi.
Can you wave, Brindley? Think Harper will wave?
Yeah.
Harper.
Wave.
Hey. She's always just so content.
Hi.
You say hey, Gran?
Hi,
Hey, Granddaddy.
Hi,
Hey, Aunt Ondi.
Hi, Annie.
Hey, Logan.
Hi, Annie.
Hey, Luke.
Hi, Luke.
Hey, Uncle Corey.
Hi, Uncle Corey.
Hey, Nana.
Hi, Nana.
Hey, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
I miss you.
Miss you. Bye.
Careful, baby. You'll make her fall.
No.
Are you just trying to help her balance? Amy.
Bye. Bye, Daddy. Bye. Bye, Daddy.
Bye. Where you going?
Amy.
You going to Amy's? All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Harper.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.